If you're looking for an easy, super simple, and cost-effective way to make Hermozi-style YouTube shorts without hiring any expensive video editors, I'm going to show you how to do it just like this video right here in only a few minutes and a few simple clicks. So without wasting your time, let's dive right into it. First off, I want to show you what setup I'm using to create my shorts. Right off the bat, this is my microphone right here. I'm going to leave a link to it down in the YouTube description where you can get it. It's very super simple. All you do is plug it up into your desktop or your laptop, and it uses USB, and you won't have to download any software, but you want to have that crisp, clear audio to sound just as good as Alex Hermozi's videos. Now you can also do this on your phone, but not with this mic. If you have another mic you can use that, and you can do it on your phone. But for the software we're going to use, and I'm going to show you in a minute, you can make these videos from your webcam, which is what I'm using, or you can record it straight from your phone. Now the webcam that I'm using is going to be linked down below as well. You can use that. It's HD quality and it's going to come out real crisp, and this webcam is very, very budget friendly. Now the cool thing is you can record your video raw. You won't have to edit it. But I do use a software called Video Proc Vlogger, and it's absolutely 100% free if you want to make some edits after you record your video, but it's only available for desktop and PC or Mac. All right, so I'll leave a link to download that software. Like I said, it's 100% free if you want to do any edits. But once you record your video, like I said, you can take it raw just as it is, and you can upload it to this software, and it's going to use AI to automatically generate these videos for you with the captions. And if you want to make some additional edits to the video, you can do them inside this software. Now, the software I use to create these Hermozi style shorts is going to be called pictory.ai, and it's absolutely free. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. I'll leave the link to pictory.ai. You can use it to create your free account. Now, real quick, I want to show you some of the features before we dive into my account and create the videos, but it has an AI software called Cut Magic, which will handle all the editing. And if you use multi-cam videos, it'll make those different scenes like you see in Alex Hermozi's videos when he's talking to another person, or he has some stock footage above or below him, where it automatically takes your long form content and generates some cool clips for you without you having to do the editing. It also adds all of those captions using AI. Another thing it does is video resizing, so you can resize all your videos to go from YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels, or you can also do YouTube landscape content, or you can even make them Facebook posts and Instagram posts. Another thing it does, you can repurpose that content all within the software, so you can take that video that's done after you complete it, and then you can automatically have it post into all of your social media platforms. You also can edit all your videos inside the software with video clipping, and it also creates chapters for you, which is great for YouTubers if you want to just have some segments, or if you have a podcast and the podcast may be over an hour or almost 2 hours long, it'll create chapters for you that you could take those videos and upload them as segments or chapters. And this is really, really cool software. I love it, and it's budget friendly. And like I said, you can even get started for absolutely free, and it has a free forever plan. They give you free credits each and every month. But just to dive into the pricing, this is gonna, like I said, it's gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, especially if you can't afford any VAs to handle all of your video editing and video optimization. Is gonna take care of all that stuff for you. But like I said, for the free plan, you get 75 minutes each and every single month. You can render all those videos in 720p, but you only can upload one video at a time, which is cool if you can handle that. You can do direct TikTok publishing, and then you can store one draft, and it doesn't give any watermarks. So no watermarks are going to be in your videos, even for the free version. Yearly is $360 a year for the Pro Plus, and it's $216 a year for the regular Pro. But for the regular Pro, if that's your next plan up, you get 3,600 minutes, 720p, 3 videos you can upload at a time, and then you can do all platforms, unlimited drafts. You still get no watermarks, 1080p exported videos, and you get 15 gigabytes of uploads that you can do. So if you have a long video and it has a lot of gigabytes because you use 4K or something like that, you're gonna get 15 gigs. And you can check this out on the page using my link. I won't keep going. But if you want to do the monthly, it starts at $29.90 a month, which is super reasonable based off all the stuff you're going to be getting.